What's up, everyone? Another day, another project. I got a tire pressure warning earlier today. As I was filling the pressure, I noticed that the Alloygators, which I think I mentioned in a different video, but they're basically pieces of plastic to help protect your rims from curb damage. Those were starting to come off the wheels. I tried hitting them with a mallet to put them back, but it seems like I need to actually deflate the tires first fully, put them back in place, and then reinflate. I really like having the Alloygators in place. They're black, you can't really notice them at all, but they protect the wheels really well. I'm not one to hit curbs that often, but sometimes other people drive my car and bump into curbs. That actually just happened yesterday. Alloygator did its job and there is no damage at all. So I am on my way to Home Depot to pick up an air compressor, a dead blow mallet to do a little better than a rubber mallet that I had. Normally I'd order things like that from Snap-on, but I want to do the project today and make the video. So off to Home Depot I go. So I do have one of the Tesla tire inflator kits. The reason I have that is actually more of a protection against a flat while on the road because it comes with a sealant and an inflator. But what I don't want to do is deflate my tires all the way, use something that's not designed to fully fill a tire, and then have it go bad for either one, when I have all the air out of the tires, or two, when I'm on the road. So I'm gonna pick up an air compressor and a nozzle used to inflate tires, and should be all set. It's actually something I've wanted to get anyway for random projects around the house, and to have just in case I need to eventually buy a spray gun or a nail gun or something. So, purchase that's been on my list, and I'm gonna go pick it up. A buddy of mine and I were out flying the drone yesterday, so as I drive to Home Depot, I'll play you some of that video. Well, this drive just got significantly worse. Trying not to swear right now, but a Mercedes just cut in front of me relatively close. He wasn't that aggressive of a driver, can't really blame him. I got on the Tesla cam and I'll show it now, but he kicked up a rock and I've got a nice chip right in the middle of my windshield now. So I guess I get to make a video about getting that fixed. Anyway, I'll show you some pictures once I pull over and get a chance to kind of zoom in on it. Anyway, can't let it ruin my day, I guess. Life is life, but frustrating nonetheless. Well, this car is always good looking, but let's get in here on the wheel. So, as you can see here, this is the Alloygator. They're very well hidden, unless you're looking for it. But as you can see, hopefully right here, it's starting to come back from the wheel and the rim a little bit. Maybe over here is what it's supposed to look like. Actually, on this back one, you can see it's even worse. You've got a bit of a gap right there. Let's see if it'll focus. There we go. So you've got that gap right there. It's maybe half a centimeter starting to come out versus normal up here. But want to get that fixed before it comes loose and potentially causes an issue. Well, I'm gonna try and forget that I've got a crack in my windshield and get back to the project at hand. Here we go. As always, thanks again for watching. If you liked the video, hit the thumbs up. If you want to see more, hit the subscribe button, which is here somewhere. My Tesla referral code and all product descriptions are in the links below. Thanks again for watching. See you next time.